This is Dr. Zain Agha from zmoneymaker.com, and we have a trading room. It's called the Z Inner Circle, and we have a signal provider. His name is Solomon. He's one of my old students, and he provides signals starting at 8 a.m. London time, and he goes up to about 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, sometimes even more into the US session, but normally he ends up at 2 o'clock London time, that is 10 o'clock Eastern time. Now, as he gives the signals, he also gives you the stop loss and the take profit levels. First, he tells you where to place your pending orders and where to place your stop loss. Now, I found that it consumes a lot of time, and a lot of time is wasted, and instead of looking for new trades, he is calculating where to put the stop loss, where to put the take profit. So while doing so, he misses on lots of profitable trades. By the time we get the signal, it's a bit too late, and we have missed a few pips that we could have taken as profits. It is therefore suggested to use an EA. Now, I have a very good EA which I'm going to give you for free, and but before that I would like to explain you how to use this EA. Right, now this is the GBP New Zealand dollar 1 hour chart. So what we do for it, because Solomon is trading on the 15 minutes, we will turn it to 15 minutes. This is the 15 minutes chart, and here is the EA. This is called auto stop loss and trailing stop EA version 1.0. So to set it, you go to common, click on allow DL, and then click on input. Now here you can set your take profit to whatever level you want, but for the time being I would prefer you to have only 10 pips profit on each trade. Now the stop loss, if you don't put anything, there won't be any stop loss, and the EA will not place any stop loss. And if you wish, you can place the stop loss to say 20 pips or 30 pips, whatever you are comfortable with. And then if you want the trailing stop, then you put the trailing stop to start at say about 10 pips. Okay, but if you're taking only 10 pips, then there is no need for a trailing stop, so just leave it at 0. Now supposing you think you don't want 10 pips is not enough and the trades can go even further up, so the second way of doing it is to put your take profit level to 100 pips, okay, with 30 pips stop, and the trailing stop to start at say about 10 or 15 pips. So when the profit goes into 15 pips, the trailing stop will start, and it will be following you after 15 minutes, after 15 pips profit. Or if you prefer, you can put it to 10 pips, so that after 10 pips it will bring the stop loss to break even and the trailing stop will start. Now, depending on the market conditions, you can get about 50 pips, 40 pips, 20 pips, or even you may your trade may go out to break even. So this is how you set it. Now I will click OK here. There it is. Now this is the EA. Make sure you have the auto trading on, and you should have a smiley face here like that. Okay, now I got a signal from Solomon, GBP NZD. pending sell at 2.12040. So I will place the sell order 2.1020. Okay, since it's a pending order, I will go to trades, go to new order, and then I will place the pending order like here. Go to pending order, and you have to put in the price was 2.12040. 2.12040. Okay, and it is a sell, so it's a sell stop, and it's a one mini lot. You click place, there it is. Now here your pending order has been placed, and the robot has immediately placed the stop loss to about 30 pips. Let's see, yes, it is 30 pips. Okay, let me make it bigger for you. This is zoomed in. So this green line is the entry, the pending order, and this red line is the stop loss. Okay, and let's just see where is the take profit. Now this is the take profit at 100 pips. Okay, now once the market starts going down, and once your trade is in about 15 pips profit, or is it 10 pips? Let me go and have a look. Expert advisor, properties, yeah, 10 pips profit. When it is in 10 pips profit, then the stop will come to break even, and the trailing stop will start working after here. Okay, now let's see what other signal has he given recently. Okay, the next one, Canadian dollar and JPY. Okay, let me open Canadian dollar JPY. Go to new chart and go here, Canadian dollar JPY. Oh, by the way, what you can do once you've done that, right click and go to template and save template. Okay, and then give it a name. I will give it a name trailing stop, auto stop loss and trailing stop. That means it's going to place your stop loss automatically, plus it's going to place your trailing stop automatically, and then you save it. Now you have saved it. The market hasn't taken the entry yet, it's going on the other way. So this is the advantage of pending order. The advantage is if the orders hit, well and good, market may go down, and if it's not hit, we don't lose anything. So this is the beauty of pending orders. It's very safe. Okay, now we're going to open the CAD JPY. It's 1 hour chart. We're going to turn it to 15 minutes, and then we are going to go to template, and then we're going to the template we saved just now. It was called auto stop loss, and this one is automatic, is placed the EA. And let's see, where did Solomon tell us to go short? CAD JPY 84.282, which is up here, 84.282, 282, 28, yeah, it's about here. Okay, this is where he told you to place your pending order, 88.282. let me confirm it, 88.282, yes. And this is the stop loss, this is the take profit, and so the market has come down to 84.7 something like it came down about 11 pips, 10, 11 pips. Now had you placed this, was the EA already there, and as soon as you put in the pending orders, your order would get filled in, plus you will get this much profit. Or let me see, was it pending order or was it market order? It was a pending order. Okay, now let's just say here the market is going down. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to trading, new order. I will just place sell. Now this is market order. Okay, now since I placed the market order sell, it has placed the, let me see where it is, 29, 30 pips. This is 30 pips stop loss, and this is the take profit is here, which is about 100 pips away. Okay, yeah, so now we are in this trade, and let's see how does it go. Now this is on the 15 minutes. Okay, now let's look for, see what other trades he has given you. Go to the GBP JPY hit target. Yeah, it hit the target, but I just went there to show you how to place the, how to use the EA. Now let me see any other signals anywhere. Okay, now let's open one more chart. So go to new chart. There you have, oh, there it says Euro JPY. Now I will right click and place the template. This is the template auto stop loss, and we have here the 1 hour time frame. We change to 15 minutes, and here what we're going to do, we're going to put pending order here below this level. So I will right click, go to trading, sell stop. Okay, there it has placed the, I placed the sell order, sell pending order, and the EA has automatically placed a 30 pip stop loss. This is 30 pips, you can see, and a 100 pip take profit. We go here, we have taken the profit on. It is still going up and down, but most probably it's going to come back down, and once it's down, then you can get your profit. So until then, I think I will just pause the video, and then I'll come back later. Okay, see you. Now I'm getting a new signal from Solomon, is to sell USD JPY. So let's bring that chart here, new chart, and then you look for the USD JPY, and then you go to your template and look for the auto stop loss. Go to 15 minutes, and then the pending order is at 109.216, 108.459. Okay, let me go here, trading, new order, and I go to pending order, sell limit, and what was a 108.459, 459. So let's say sell, invalid because it's too close. 459. Well, you have to take a market order because it's close to just sell. That's the market order. 108.459. Yeah, that's, yeah, because we were a little bit late. So we have placed the, this is for the US session. So we have 3 trades running, and one is still pending. Now Solomon's stop loss is at 109.216, which is 9.22, yeah, something about here. Right, now let's see where is the, if you turn it into 1 hour, so this is the last high. Well, if you want the brokers not to go after your stop hunting, then I think the stop loss should be much higher than the last high. This is the last high, but if we are going to put that high stop loss, which is about 80, 90, about 95 pips far away, it's a lot of pips. So, but I would say this is ideal place to place your stop loss on top of the most recent high. Now this is the most recent high, this candle here, so we can place up here the stop loss above it here. Once the EA places the stop loss for you and you look at it, and if you're not happy, you think it's a bit too low, what you can do, you can hold it here with your mouse and move it up above the high of the most recent high. So now instead of 30 pips, your stop loss is going to be about 36 pips. Okay, so you are 30 pips, 36 pips. Now one of your order is coming into profit is let's turn into CAD JPY. Now you can see here the trailing stop has come down below the sell price. Now as the market is going down, it will carry on coming behind it. Now you are in a profit of $17.4 dollars. That is nearly about 15-16 pips, and as the market comes down, the trailing stop will keep coming behind it. See, now if the market reverses and goes back, there's no problem because you will make money on it no matter what. Now the next signal I'm getting from Solomon is Australian dollar and US dollar. Let's open Australian dollar, US dollar, new chart, and go to Australian dollar, US dollar, right click, template, auto stop loss, turn it into 15 minutes, and here, and you have the EA here, and the pending order 73592 trading, new order, get the pending order, sell stop 73592, okay, place invalid 735, yeah, because we are much 73592. okay, supposing the market has gone too low, look, it's going so fast. What you can do, you can also do this, place a sell limit order. That means there's the sell limit order. Now that means if the market retraces, comes back, your order will be filled in and the market will come down, and the market is already coming. One more thing you can do, you can also sell at market. So what I'll do, I'll also take a sell at market trade, new order, and just sell. Okay, your order is filled in, the sell order. Now you'll get your take profit, and automatically there it is. There's your take profit and there's your stop loss there. So these are the 4 trades which are running, and one pending, there are 2 pending orders here. So we'll just wait. One is a limit sell and the other one is a stop sell. Limit sell means when the market goes up and hits that price, that's when the order will be filled in, and the stop orders are the ones which are below the market, and the limit price is the one which is above the market. Okay, but both of them are sell. So pending is when the market reaches a certain level, it will sell, and the limit is when the market retraces back to a certain level, it will sell. So let's see what happens here. Okay, I'm getting one more signal from Solomon. USD Swiss franc, new chart, and I'll go to USD Swiss franc and go to 15 minutes, and then I go to my templates, pending order, euro. Oh yeah, there it is. USD Swiss franc sell at 97192. 97192. Okay, go to trading, new order, and then go to pending order, and it is a sell limit, sell stop, and the price is 97686. 97686. So you place your invalid stop, 97686. Okay. Okay, what I'll do now, 976 is up here. Oh, it's a buy. It's a, what is it, 97192. Oh, 97192. Okay, it's almost here, 19192. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just go to trading and new order, sell market. There you are. I think we got one of the trades got go to custom or period 21s. Okay, right here we got a profit of 739 on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and GBP New Zealand. We got a loss of 9 cents. This was because I placed the trade. I was just going to show you how it is done, and then I had to cancel it. No, that it was too close. Okay, let's see now how it goes. Pending sell order, new chart. Now these are all for these signals are all for the US traders, those who come late because they cannot get up early in the morning at 3 o'clock, so they come late. So for them we have this facility, give them the pending orders, and then they can manage the trade, and then Solomon can go to bed because it's already about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, maybe 5. Too early. Okay, USD CAD is a pending buy, 1.29040. So trading, new order, buy stop, and the price 1.29045, 1.29045, and you place the orders. Invalid stop loss. When you're getting invalid stop loss, it means the market has already moved in your favor. So the best thing is to do is to go to market order and then buy whatever price is running at. Okay, that's the price. That's the stop loss, and there is the take profit, 100 pips away. Now this one is running in profit, USD Swiss franc. Let's see where it is. USD Swiss franc, this one. So how it's going. And this one is going into loss. USD JPY, let's have a look. USD JPY is on the 1 hour. Let's change it to 15 minutes. Okay, here is the sell, and here's the stop loss, and here is your take profit. So at the moment we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades running, and we have one pending order waiting. So we have this 5 trades running. So what I'll do, I'll pause the video and come back later when things develop. See you soon. Okay, now we have the USD CAD. It has brought the trailing stop at break even, and it's running into profit, and it's 9.25 in profit at the moment. And let's see how it goes. Another one is the USD Swiss franc, that is also in profit. This one is running into profit, and here is the take profit. And the USD CAD is as it goes up, the trailing stop will continue going up. Let's see how it goes. So okay, so we'll just see how it goes. USD CAD, this is USD CAD, it's gone into profit now, and now the trailing stop is at the entry. You can see here now it's gone up. Now as the market goes up, the trailing stop follows. So the trailing stop is about 10 pips behind it. So every pip the market goes up, the trailing stop will go up. And then also the USD Swiss franc, this one also is in profit. Now here is your previous support, previous resistance at this level. Okay, now I'll put a line here at this level. Okay, and most probably it will hit it and come back again. So why not take profit here? Okay, now if you want to do that, what you will do, you will bring your this take profit from here down to here, or maybe above the last, below the last high, which is this one. You can bring it here, right? So manually you can manipulate your take profit and stop loss levels. So and when it reaches here, and if you see, if hits it and bounces back, then you can just close the order with whatever profit you can get. If it crosses it, goes up, look, you're going to get stopped out now. Market is coming down very fast. When it comes down here, you'll get stopped out. I could have taken your take profit here. Okay, market is, maybe you'll get stopped out just now. Oh yes, it's coming down. That's it. You got stopped out, and you made a profit of, what is it? Yeah, you made a profit of 252. Right, now let's go and have a look here. Now these are other trades running. Look at this, how low USD CAD is coming down. Something happened to USD CAD. Here USD is coming down. Maybe, most probably, the oil is going up. That is a possibility. Okay, we got stopped out on the USD CAD, the second trade, and we made a profit of 2.52 on the second way down. Now if you want, you can just go and sell again. Go trading, new order, right, sell at market here. This is the third time I'm selling the US dollar, US dollar against the Canadian dollar. So let's see how it goes. And now the EA has already placed the stop loss here for you, and then it has placed the take profit here, what, 100 pips away, and the market is going down. So let it go down, and this way you can keep scalping it again and again and again. So let's see what's happening. So I'll pause the video for the time.